Creation is rarely perfect. It's fractured, reimagined, redeemed. For Trinity Wave, we began with carefully curated remnants of fused glass, hand-crushed into a spectrum of custom colors and textures. Powder becomes palette. Colors collide, never to be repeated. Fired at 1500 degrees, chaos transforms into cohesion. What emerges is entirely one of one, completely unique and never to be replicated exactly. Every line is intentional, every piece mapped before it exists. Measured, cut, refined. Placed with purpose, a composition taking shape. Then the unexpected. Hand-painted layers of depth, shadow, and light. 3 techniques, 1 vision. Fused, painted, assembled. Trinity Wave. Not just glass, but transformation. Captured in light.